Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rendy Suharsono with name 190-190-44. Here I'll present my Macromedia. With the title is Quadrilateral and Triangle. Here the first scan Quadrilateral and Triangle for 7th grade. Student can start the media by clicking Start. Here the menu of my media. Please choose one from the menu. The start will have this icon will bring you to the home page. This icon will bring you to the next page. This icon will bring you to the previous page. Back to home. Next is author. This is the profile of the author, the lecturer, Fitgo Desman SPD MSc. Name is Rendy Suharsono, name 1944. Hello, my dear student. I hope all of you can understand the material that I will give later. Keep spirit, okay? Next is syllabus. Let's start with basic competence. Basic competence 3.11 related the parameter and area of formulas for different types of quadrilateral, square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram, trapezoid, and kites, and triangles. 4.11 solve context 1 problem related to the width and perimeter of a quadrilateral, square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram, trapezoid, and kites, and triangle. Student can choose click here to back to syllabus menu, or can click here to come to indicator of competence achievement. Indicator of achievement, determining quadrilateral and triangle shapes, determining the type and the properties of quadrilateral, determining the perimeter and area of the quadrilateral, determining the type and properties of the triangle, determining the perimeter and area of triangle, solving problem related to quadrilateral and triangle. Next, here is the learning objective. Do the creation of quadrilateral and triangle shapes, observing quadrilateral and not quadrilateral in tabular form, distinguish between regular and irregular quadrilateral, find the formula for the perimeter and the area of a regular quadrilateral through a pattern certain, find the formula for the perimeter and the area of a triangle through a plane shape rectangular. Student can click here to come back to main menu. Start is the material. Here the material. Student can choose the material they want to learn. Let's start from the first one, quadrilateral and triangle shapes. Around us, there are various two-dimensional objects in the form of quadrilateral and triangle, such as house, doors, windows, ketupat, kites, ceiling house, and so on. There are various shapes of a quadrilateral and triangle from irregular to regular, like a square, rectangle, parallelogram, trapezoid, rhombus, kite, and triangle. Next, a quadrilateral. Next is a quadrilateral is a polygon formed of four sides that intersect at one point. A triangle is a polygon formed of three sides that intersect at one point. Next, have you seen the picture like the following? Do you think the picture is quadrilateral or triangle? Student try to answer triangle, then check. Wow. But if student answer it right, then check. It's correct. Next, look at the following picture. By looking at the picture, how many square on a 2013, type your answer here. Student can type the answer. Student type the wrong answer and check. Oh, But if student answer the correct answer, it's correct. Next, look at the following picture. By looking at the picture, how many squares there are? 5. Correct. Then student can click here to come back to the material menu. Next is types and properties of a quadrilateral. Before you do following activities, it would be nice if you know in advance what mean by a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is a plane polygon formed by four sides that intersect at one point. Next, is this a quadrilateral? Yes or no? That's your answer here. Yes. And check, it's correct. The picture below is a quadrilateral. It's a quadrilateral order of a rectangle. Next, is this a quadrilateral? Yes or no? It's no. Incorrect. The picture below is not a quadrilateral because it has a four lines same length, open or disconnect. To find out about the type of quadrilateral and their properties, try to look at the picture. Square, a rectangle with sides of equal length. All sides are equal. All angles are equal. Triangle, opposite sides are equal. Diagonal are equal and bisect to each other at 90 degree or perpendicular. Diagonal are a bisector angle. Next is rectangle is a parallelogram with a right angle. All angles are right angle. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Diagonal are equal and bisect to each other. It has two lines of symmetry and two rotational symmetry. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral with each pair of opposite sides parallel. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are parallel. Opposite angles are equal. Diagonal bisect to each other. Next is trapezium. Trapezium is a quadrilateral with a pair of parallel sides. Properties is one pair of the parallel side. Next, kite. A quadrilateral with exactly two pairs of equal consecutive sides. The first one is the diagonal are perpendicular to each other. One of the diagonal bisect to the other. One pair of angle are equal. Two pair of the consecutive side of equal measure, and it has two diagonal of different length. Next, rhombus. A, a parallelogram with side of equal length. The properties is all sides are equal, opposite sides are parallel, diagonal are perpendicular to each other, opposite angle are equal, diagonal are the angle bisector, and diagonal are line of symmetry. Next, look at the following picture. It has known that the length of AE is equal to 6 and DE is equal to 8. Then determine the length of BC. Student can try to answer it. If student, the answer is next. Next is student can answer 10. Then that is correct. Next, okay, the picture of the Pecky LS rectangle is known that the length of the Pecky is equal to 10 cm and PS is equal to 6 cm in centimeter. Determine the length of RS. Okay, it's correct. Let's come back to the material menu. The third material is about perimeter and the area of quadrilateral. There is various form of quadrilateral. Each of which consists of four sides, four vertices, and a region bound by four dead sides. The sum of the four sides is called the perimeter, and the area bound by the four sides is called the area. Thus, the perimeter of a plane figure is the sum of the length of the sides, which limits the shape, while the area of a flat shape is the area bound by the length of the side of the figure. Next, the perimeter of square 1 is 4. The perimeter of square 2 is 8. Then the perimeter of square 3 is berubah. Here 4 and 8. Then what is this? Then the perimeter of square 3 is student answer 12. Then check. Student answer 12 and check. And it's correct. Next, the area of square 1 is 1. The area of square 2 is 4. Then the area of square 3 is 9. Check. Correct. Next, the perimeter of rectangle 1 is 10. The perimeter of rectangle 2 is 14. And the perimeter of rectangle 3 is 16. Check. Next, the area of rectangle 1 is 6. The area of rectangle 2 is 12. The area of rectangle 3 is find out about the perimeter area equal. Let's try here. Try square area is equal to side times side. Perimeter is equal to 4 times side. Rectangle here. Area is equal to length times width. Perimeter is equal to 2 times length plus width. Next, parallelogram. Area is equal to base times height. Perimeter is the sum of all sides. Trapezium. The sum area is the sum of parallel sides times height over 2. Meanwhile, the perimeter is the sum of all sides. Kite. The area is diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. And the perimeter is the sum of all sides. Rhombus. The area is diagonal 1 times diagonal 2 over 2. With perimeter is 4 times side. 3. Let's start. Here, student can answer 3 square have side of 6 centimeter, 10 centimeter, and 8 centimeter respectively. Place as in the image below. Determine the area of the shaded region. Student can type your answer here. The answer is 28. Check. Correct. Next, given rhombus A, B, C, D, and B, F, D, E with BD equal to 50 centimeter and AE equal to 24 centimeter and AE 2 times AE. The area of the said area is, the answer here, the correct answer is 1,020, 200. Number 2 material, and next material is about types and properties of triangle. Before you do the following activities, how it's better you know in advance what is triangle is. A triangle is a flat shape bound by 3 sides and has 3 vertices. Here the type of triangles. By side is equilateral if 3 equal sides are angle 20 is 600, 300. Isosceles, two equal sides, two equal angles. Scalene, no equal sides, no equal angles. By angle, one angle is equal to 90 degree is right angle, acute angle is an angle less than 90, 100, and obtuse one angle is more than 90 degree. Next is basic properties of triangle. Here the angle sum property is angle ABC plus angle ABC plus angle BAC plus angle ACB equal to 180 degree. Length AB plus AC more than length BC. Next is angle ACD is equal to ABC plus CAB is exterior angle properties. Come back to material menu. Next is perimeter and the area of triangle. When in elementary school, you have learned about triangle. In this activity, we will examine more broadly and deeply about triangle, exactly regarding various concepts and rules for determining the area around the triangle. Around us, there are various objects such as building. The shape of the surface of the building is a triangle. Next, here, area of triangle is base times height over 2. The perimeter is A plus B plus C, or the side. Let's come back to material menu. That's it. Let's come back to main menu. Here, class is about quiz. Here the quiz. Please type your name. Start. Read the question. Here the guide. Read the question carefully. The question consists of 5 objective questions. Choose one answer that consider correct. Choose the answer by clicking A, B, C, or D. If you click the answer, you automatically proceed to the next question and click the next button to work on the question. So, here the evaluation result. Then Rendy, the score is 1 is 4, and the score is 20. There are chance to do better. So you can click here to retrieve or come back to the menu. I think that's all my presentation for my Macromedia. I'm sorry for the inconvenience and thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.